Hello everyone, Harry here with another perfume review. Now bear with me, let me preface the whole situation. It's supposed to be sunny, it's supposed to be warm, it's supposed to be summer almost, right? And for the past week the weather is horrible, it's snowy, it's stormy, it's not that great. So I thought it would be funny to talk about a perfume that for some reason was super overhyped and I had no idea. This perfume was super popular in TikTok and Instagram, in that kind of internet world where I do not reside, so I completely missed it. One. Second of all, it's a Middle Eastern perfume, which also would help why I missed it. Now, I used to really love Middle Eastern perfumes. 5-6 years ago there was a boom. In my opinion, it started with Rasasi putting out some really amazing perfumes out there. But then the market got oversaturated with Middle Eastern perfumes. There were a lot of hit or misses, a lot of clones, and for me it was time to just bounce and say don't really care anymore. Now that also meant that I missed a lot of really amazing stuff. So of course I missed on this perfume, which is Sharaf Blend from Zimaya. I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce it well, but the point is, this perfume was super overhyped. People swear it's the new amazing thing. I got it because it was 3 o'clock in the night, and like many other nights I don't sleep, I browse online and I check the notes and I saw a couple of stuff that I like dates and nutmeg and praline, and it looked like a really fancy bottle of cognac or scotch, and I was like, yes, I'm all in, I got this. Now that's how I buy perfumes, like an idiot. But how can you go wrong with this type of notes, right? And I love those notes. Worst case scenario, I'm just gonna like it, not love it, maybe regift it. So I had no idea about the whole overhype thing and what people talk about it online. Missed it completely. So let's review this perfume from the point of view of someone who completely missed the hype train, and let me give you my honest thoughts on why this perfume, in my opinion, is really worth your money and your time. Okay, let's dive right into it. This is very heavy. I could have easily dropped it and damaged the floor, so I'm glad I didn't, and that was the first take. So first of all, the presentation is amazing. It really looks like a really cool glass of whatever your poison is. I don't know, cognac or bourbon or whatever. It looks beautiful. It looks great wherever you place it, and it smells good. Okay, let's get right into the notes because that's the important thing. Okay, visually amazing, but that's not the point. The point is what's inside. Let's spray not more than 3 times, because most of with Middle Eastern perfumes, you don't spray more than 2 or 3 times. They're super strong. That's the whole point. That's 60% the appeal of Middle Eastern perfumes. They're strong. That was 3. Now I'm gonna live dangerously. Room's gonna smell like this for the next 3 days, but it's worth it, okay? It's good, but saying it's just good, it's kinda counterproductive, it's kinda mundane, it's not really worth your time as someone who's watching a video about a review. First of all, notes, and we're gonna say exactly what we get is, we have dates, nutmeg, saffron, vanilla, praline, tuberose, tonka bean, benzoin, amberwood, and musk. Phew, got it, okay. If you missed it, don't worry. Notes mean nothing. It's all about the blend. This is called Sharaf Blend, and I'm very happy to say they all blend super well together, and you really get what you think you would get from those notes. So, okay, I get it. In this particular instance, notes kinda matter because you really, if you think about it, you get exactly what you think this is gonna smell like. Warmth, sweet, spicy, all in a bottle. But how does it smell on your skin? So immediately you're gonna get the spiciness in your nostrils. Not too much, don't worry, you're not gonna burn your nose hair with like I mean, if I see something with nutmeg or, you know, those type of notes, I kind of get this feeling that it's going to be too cloying, too spicy. Not this. It's really blends very well. You're going to get spiciness, but it's not something that is going to be cloying to your nose. So that's very important, especially with very strong perfumes like Middle Eastern perfumes. Number 2, after the spiciness, slowly, you're going to start getting, wherever you spread it, some kind of warmth. What do I mean by warmth? Now, let's say you walk outside, it's cold, you have a scarf. As you walk, the scarf is gonna keep giving this warmth around your neck. You're gonna feel it all the way, you know, towards where you're going. This is gonna be the same thing. As you wear it on your skin, you're gonna constantly get this type of warmth around your skin. That's why it's strictly a rainy, cold day perfume. No reason to try any other scenario. This is something that is gonna produce a lot of warmth around you, and people next to you is gonna get this warmth with the spiciness. And as this dries down, what is gonna pop up and blend with the other 2 things that I've said is sweetness. Now, praline, guilty as charged, was the main thing that I was interested in this perfume. I love praline in perfumes. I love chocolate. If a perfume says it has chocolate, dark chocolate, milk, vanilla, this type of things, I'm in. I got this. It's what I like. So I expected sweetness, right? But what I didn't expect is to get this feeling of really nice mixture of a fancy drink. Let's just say cognac, okay? It could easily on your nose smell like something like really nice bourbon. It's up to you. Point is, there's gonna be something that gives you this vibe, this feeling of warm alcohol, rich alcohol. And then someone dumped a load of melted praline. Now, is this something that you want to drink? I don't think so. But is this something that you want to smell like? Yes. On paper, it smells amazing, and in practice, it does smell amazing, even if the analogy is kind of weird of the cognac and the melted praline inside. Now, when you put all those together, and you have the sweetness, the spiciness, this warmth, what I want you to understand is you get a really sexy. And I don't like to say the word sexy when it comes to perfume because everyone claims that this is sexy and this is sexy, just to buy stuff, consume. The next sexy thing, the thing that's gonna turn the head of every woman or man that is on your way. I don't want to claim that. But if we're able to dissect what sexy is when we talk about perfumes, it has to be something that will make the person next to you, and even you that wear it, feel this type of mood. Something that is flirtatious, something that is warm, something that is cuddly. Cuddly in the way that, let's say, you have something on you that feels warm and it's around you and you feel good wearing it. That's what I'm trying to tell you that this perfume feels like. It feels like sensual, sexy, smooth, rich, warm, and with a little bit of spiciness that makes it a little bit dangerous. In the sense that it's not your typical male sweet perfume, hahaha, tralala, it smells good, whatever, kiddie stuff. No, this has a spiciness that will make it a little bit more adult, a little bit more flirtatious, like I said, perfect for a date night, any type of night, as long as it's cold and rain and you dress really nice. This is gonna turn heads, and it's the type of perfume that's gonna give you a lot of compliments. And compliments don't matter if you don't like it, and if you don't feel good wearing it, no one's gonna wanna talk to you anyway. But as compliments goes, this is always one of the most complimented perfumes that I have in my collection, for a good reason. Smells sensual, rich, warm, sexy. And the best thing, and this is going to be the end of the review because I don't want to keep talking about, I don't want to be redundant, I guess, is the price is amazing. The price is amazing. Now, when I got it, I think it was definitely below 40 euro mark. You can easily find it for less in good deals. I do not know right now the price that you might find it, because when you see this video, it may be who knows how many years, and this is already overhyped. But I urge you, for the price, go and get it. If you love sweet, sexy perfumes, get it. If you love Middle Eastern perfumes, this is definitely one of the best releases in I don't know how many years. If you, like me, gave up on the Middle Eastern scene, get back with this. If you like the whole idea of booze with sweetness and warmth, then get it. Because what I say, the words that I use are exactly how it smells like. You can't smell it and go, yeah, I don't get the warmth, I don't get the spiciness, I don't get the sweetness. This is exactly how it smells. Warm, rich, smooth, cuddly, sexy, spicy, with booze notes inside. Even if, you know, whatever booze you think it smells to you, it has this type of booze note, in my nose at least. I don't see any reason why not buy it. If you find a great deal, get it. If you don't find a great deal, get it. It's gonna constantly go up and up in price, I guarantee that. Looks good, smells good. It's a perfect bottle to have in your collection for your next night out. And I know in my life a lot of women that love perfumes that are a little bit darker, a little bit more sensual, and they cannot easily find female perfumes that have this type of attitude, let's say, because a lot of them are watered down, like, you know, flowery, blah, blah, blah. So they go to the unisex side. I am very happy to say that this is a unisex perfume, and I can totally see and know a lot of women in my circle that wear this perfume. So if you are a guy and you get this for yourself, don't be surprised if your girlfriend, wife starts spraying it all over her. It's very cuddly and sexy at the same time, something that you want to have on you. So you want to smell it on your shirt, so you will want to smell it on you, so you will want to smell it on her. It's a beautiful perfume. 100%. I can easily tell you, get it. It's worth it. It's beautiful, smells beautiful, sexy, and addictive. So that was my summer perfume review. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you'd like to see more reviews about Middle Eastern perfumes, go check my older videos. I have some videos, especially for Middle Eastern perfumes that you can check out. And if you like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, say hi, but, you know, have a good day. That's what's important. Until then, I'm gonna say you.